Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing consistency and prepping your fixes. Don't waste time. If the ganache is runny, chop an extra 25–50% white chocolate finely and place it in a dry, heat-proof bowl. Heat a small amount of heavy cream until it reaches about 80–90 degrees C and remove from heat. This is hot enough to melt white chocolate without scorching. Once done, pour just enough warmed cream onto the chopped chocolate to cover it, and let it sit undisturbed for 1–2 minutes. Now you emulsify. Stir slowly from the center outward using gentle figure-8 motions so the melted core pulls in the unmelted pieces, creating a glossy emulsion. This is why technique matters. If the mixture remains thin, add more finely chopped chocolate in 25 g increments and fold until incorporated. Make sure to avoid whipping air in. Overmixing can break the emulsion. Once you reach a thickened but pourable stage, stop stirring and let the ganache sit at room temperature for 5–10 minutes to stabilize. Finish by chilling and checking texture. Place the ganache in the fridge for 10–20 minutes and stir once halfway through to ensure uniform firmness. If you see graininess or separation, gently warm the bowl over a double boiler for 5–10 seconds and immediately re-emulsify with a quick, steady whisk. That gentle heat and motion bring fat and solids back together. As a last resort for extra shine and body, fold in 1 to 2 teaspoons of neutral corn syrup or a small piece of softened butter. Then cool until set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.